Join me as I take the new DJI Mavic 4 Pro for a spin and see if I can push it to its limits with a crazy 51-minute flight. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is finally here, and it's causing a stir in the drone community. This latest addition to the Mavic series promises to shake things up with its impressive specs and features. As a drone enthusiast, I'm super excited to get my hands on it and see what it can do. One of the biggest pain points for drone enthusiasts has always been battery life. We've all been there. You're in the middle of an epic flight, capturing stunning footage, when suddenly your drone's battery starts to drain, and you're forced to make an early landing. The Mavic 4 Pro aims to change that with its advanced battery technology. I've heard it's capable of flying for up to 51 minutes, which is a game changer. Imagine being able to capture the footage you need without having to worry about running out of juice. That's a huge deal. But what really sets the Mavic 4 Pro apart is its ability to handle different flight modes. Whether you're a pro looking for advanced features or a beginner who just wants to have fun, this drone has got you covered. The extra flight time means you can take your drone further and capture more footage without having to cut your flight short. For anyone who's ever had to cut a flight short because of battery life, this is huge. I'm also loving the camera capabilities on the Mavic 4 Pro. With its high-quality sensor and advanced lens, the footage this thing can capture is simply stunning. Whether you're into aerial photography or videography, this drone has the tools you need to create professional-grade content. And with the ability to fly for so long, you can take your time to get the shot just right. So I took the Mavic 4 Pro out for a test flight to see if it lives up to the hype. The first thing I noticed was how smooth and stable it flew. Even in windy conditions, this drone held steady and captured some amazing footage. I was able to push it to its limits, flying it high and fast, and it still managed to deliver. And when I checked the battery life, I was blown away. 51 minutes is no joke. As I flew the Mavic 4 Pro, I was also impressed by its obstacle avoidance system. It's clear that DJI has put a lot of thought into safety features, which gives me confidence to fly it in more challenging environments. Being able to focus on capturing great footage rather than worrying about crashing is a huge plus. The Mavic 4 Pro's performance in action is truly impressive. Not only does it live up to its promise of a 51-minute flight time, but it also handles like a dream. Whether you're flying it for fun or using it for professional work, this drone delivers. In summary, the Mavic 4 Pro is a powerhouse of a drone that's set to revolutionize aerial photography and videography. Its long battery life, advanced camera capabilities, and smooth flight performance make it a top choice for anyone serious about drone flying. If you've got thoughts on the Mavic 4 Pro or any other drone-related topics, I'd love to hear them. Leave a comment below. And if you're into drone flying like I am, be sure to check out my other videos for more drone action and tips.